We're okay, we're fine. Please stop your crying. She's love it from your head, stronger than a monster beneath your bed, smarter than a trick played on your heart. We kept them together, took them apart, adding up the total of your affection, multiply like firepower too.